Hi, this is Jackie with Sleutzio. In this video, I'm going to briefly go over some elements of setting up student email addresses inside a G Suite. Um, if you're a administrator on the G Suite, whether that's a user, admin, or a super admin, go to admin.google.com to see this dashboard. Um, Secondly, we're going to make organizational units. So we want to be able to group or manage a group of email addresses all together at once. So I added one for students, and then I'd like to add them by class of, so maybe class of 2021, and create that. And so, um, and likewise, that way it's not for first grade, second grade, third grade, and then you have to move the emails to a different group each year. If you make them class of, whoops, and I meant to put that underneath. I want to move that to under students. And then of course you can set what, um, it's like if you want to turn off YouTube for all the student emails, you want to turn off Google Hangouts. I guess I can go show you where that is. So let's make, I guess to create a new unit under students, so it'd be good to add it here. 2022, create another one there. Okay, so first step is that would be then to create all your organizational units or your different grades. Then back on the dashboard or home, under apps, there's some core services that everyone will have: calendar, classroom, drive, groups for business, hangouts, chat. So maybe if we go into hangouts chat or hangouts meet in Google Hangouts, I think it'd be good for the teachers to still have these, but maybe not. So I'm not gonna make any changes there, but okay. Over here on this one, I'm gonna have to make my screen bigger. I'll just have to move that up, move it so you can see it. And there's students. So I can choose students here, and I can turn it off for students, even though it's still on for teachers, etc. So if I go here, it's still on, but for students, it's off. So that's how I would do that with any apps, whether that's the regular core services or any additional services, etc. If you want to manage those there. Finally, how do we add users? I don't want to give away anybody's um, information, but I usually will pull up a spreadsheet. Let me pull that open in another tab and I'll pull it onto my video screen. I just have a default spreadsheet set up like this. So it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to have a spreadsheet set up with first name, last name, email address. Everybody has to have a different password, so I usually give them about the same password and then make one character different. And then your unit path is where you're going to assign, okay, where does this go? Class of whatever, or student / students / class of. One easy way to figure that out might be to add one per organizational unit, download the list of users, and then that'll tell you for sure. But I think it's a pretty good, if you go with that practice, that would be the best way to upload those. When this is filled out and complete, I would download it as a comma separated values um, file, CSV file, and then inside of the users tab, I'm going to do a bulk upload and attach CSV right there to upload those. So that's how I would set up student email addresses inside G Suite. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.